Kamusta ang puwet mo?
Bigil na yung kaliwa.
Ang driver?
Chill pa siya, chill pa.
Chill pa?
Kayang-kaya. Yeah.
Ito, kakagising ko lang. Bossing! Sige, I'll go there. Let's go. Hi guys, we found our parking spot now. Yeah, finally, we're here. We're getting ready na guys. Let's go. Ay, wala. Mali yung video. Morning guys, we finally made it here sa Lake Louise. Sobrang lamig pa dito, winter pa. What's up guys? Medyo madaming tao din kanina. Ang ganda, grabe. Kahit nakita ko na siya last year, I'm still amazed guys. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Let's go. Hi. Hi guys, update. Mga 20 minutes namin nag-hike. Sobrang tarik niya. But laban lang. Let's go. We arrived guys at the Mirror Lake. Ito yung unang stop. Doon pa kami. Let's go. Lamig niyan. guys, we just came from the Mirror Lake and then punta kami sa Big Beehive. Let's go guys. Sobrang ganda. Kita niyo ba yan? Kita niyo ba yan? Kita niyo ba yan? Let's go. Dapat titigil kami sa may tea house kaso sarado pa siya, so we decided to push through muna and then balik na lang kami doon para magpahinga. It's currently 7:46 AM pa lang. Ang aga namin dito. And magbubukas yung biha amin. Yung tea house na 8 AM. Yeah. Let's go. Hi guys! Hi!
Hi!
Kamusta?
Hey! Okay naman.
So far so good guys
So
kasi
far, so good.
maganda yung
Sulit na agad.
panahon, maaraw. Thank you Lord. So, punta kami sa Big Beehive now. Let's go guys.
Sige, go.
I think we made it guys. Kasi grabe. I think ito na yan. Let's see if it's gonna be worth it guys. Okay, ayun na may sign. Tingnan natin yung sign. Big Beehive Lookout, 400 meters. Dito. Yeah. Let's go. Kunti na lang guys. Maulap. Wala. Hindi.
No. Ano yan si Tantan?
Hi.
Ano na balik? Wag!
Hey little squirrel. Hey guys, what's up? Sa Banff kami ngayon. Kakain kami muna. Gutom na kami. After no hike, we went straight here sa Banff. So yeah, just go. Hi guys, legit.